Join me today for 10 minutes of me time. We're going to work on ourselves, we're going to calm down, we're going to feel good, and we're going to learn to tap into our subtle body so that we can work on our physical body. It's very easy, it's very, very gentle, and it's going to make you feel really calm and centered by the end of the 10 minutes. Hi, I'm Shelley, and welcome to Fabulous 50s. This 10 minutes that we're going to spend together right now is part of a 30-day challenge that I've created to help you with your mental health, to help you stay sane in a world that's just so unfamiliar. And it's a time when most of us, if not all of us, are experiencing some form of anxiety, whether it's low level or high level, because there's so much uncertainty. We don't know what's going to happen next week, let alone next year. And when that plays in your mind over and over again, it messes you up a little bit because it's giving all of our power to our thoughts. And when our thoughts run our body, we get sick and we get mentally unwell. We become unhealthy. So this 10 minutes today is designed to help you get recentered. We're going to focus on our subtle body, and that's our energy body. And the energy body is what really helps regulate our physical body. And when we tap into our energy, we can help ourselves start to feel good. And it really is just 10 minutes will do it. That's all you need. So the 30-day challenge is one new thing to try every day. And it's simple, it's easy, and it's quick. But doing one thing every day for 30 days is going to help set patterns, and it'll make you familiar with doing these things. And when you can do them, you can calm yourself down instantly. It's really great, and I hope you'll take the challenge. And this practice here is on day one of the challenge. So whether you're taking the challenge or not, join with me now as we take 10 minutes just to really feel good. Sit in a comfortable position. The only thing you need to be sure of is that your spine is straight. So you can sit in a comfy lounge as long as your back's straight, or you can sit with a cushion under your bottom, or just like this. The reason the sitting position is so important is because we don't want to focus all of our attention on pain in our legs or our back or our hips. So get very comfortable, back straight, and let's get started. Sit up straight and take your hands and feel your ears. And what we do in everyday life is we use our ears to listen to all of the sounds around us. So for this exercise, we're going to touch our ears and close our eyes, and then start listening to the sounds inside. So turn your ears inside and see if you can hear your heartbeat. And we're going to just breathe gently while you do this and listen if you can hear anything inside of your body. Listen for your heartbeat, and when you can hear it, just focus on it. And if you can hear it, see if you can feel your heartbeat. Take deep breaths in and out as you're listening. Very gently open your eyes as we get ready for the next exercise. Okay, now moisten your thumb and mark a place just above your eye on your forehead. And then close your eyes and focus on that point. The reason we moisten our forehead is just to give us a subtle, it's very subtle knowing of where that spot is. So just inhale and exhale as you focus on that one spot inside your brain. And that spot will take you into your midbrain. And there's a part inside of your brain where the midbrain is, just behind the spot we've just marked. And that's the only part in the brain, in the whole body, that doesn't have any nerves. So that's the part that's open and free. So focus on that and just breathe. When you have a thought, that's okay. Just go back to that one point. Take a few more breaths, focusing in on that one point. Okay, open your eyes. Just rub your knees and feel the sensation of what is going on in your knees. Just feel that gentleness, that nurturing of your knees. Don't think about anything else, just think of your knees. Now, take your left hand and put it on your tummy and put it into like a fist. And then take your right hand and put it over your tummy and just focus on that point for a moment. And underneath where your hand is your energy center. So there's 72,000 points of energy right behind your hand. And what we're going to do is we're going to breathe out through the belly. So breathe out, belly, and then as you breathe in, you're going to push your hand in towards those 72,000 energy centers. Okay, so breathe out. And as you breathe in, lower your body down like this. Okay, breathe out with your tummy going out, and breathe in and push all of your energy into that center, and then rise up. And as you rise up, you're going to notice the energy has transferred into your heart, and your heart opens. It's very subtle, but it feels amazing. So let's do that again. We're going to take our left hand into a fist, take the right hand over. We're going to breathe out. The tummy will come out. As we breathe in, we bring down. Take a breath out. As you breathe in, pull your tummy in towards your belly button, and then sit up and feel that energy transfer into your heart. So you've taken the energy from this center and you've transferred it up into your heart. And just breathe into that for a moment. Breathe into the expansion of your heart and smile while you're doing that. Inhale, feel that expansion through the heart, and then exhale. And as you exhale, we're going to go down to the Kegels. And this is the area, the pubic bone, we're going to pull it up. So pull it up and then release it. Gently contract the pelvic floor muscle, hold, and then release. So imagine you're drawing all of that energy up, and then you're holding it, and then you're transferring it back down into the body. So bring your pubic bone up, hold, and down again. Bring it up and down. Rub your knees again. Just feel the sensation of your knee and your heart and those subtle elements inside of your body. We've got blood flowing through our body all day, every day. And we don't think about it, and our heart's pumping and our veins, everything's working like a miracle inside of our body. And when we can tap into that just through these little exercises, it can really help our physical body come to terms with everything that's going on. And we can deal with it with more strength and clarity. Now take your hands and start rubbing. Start rubbing gently to start with. And then focus on your fingers, including your thumbs. So we're not using the palms, so rub your fingers with thumbs. Now move it to your palms, like this, back to fingers and thumbs, and then palms, and then just rub them together. Create some heat. I'm going to show you something really great in a moment. You're going to love this. Okay, you've got a lot of energy. Okay, now take your hands and feel. Close your eyes and feel that energy. That's your energy. Take your hands out to the width of your body and feel that. That's your radiance. That's what people are feeling when they're near you. That's your radiance. Now take it out a little bit further and do this. Push it in and out. You can feel it. That's your energy. You can move it. It's something. Okay? Take a few deep breaths. And now scoop that energy up and place it on your face. Touch your hands on your face and cover your eyes. And send all of that energy into your brain. A healthy brain is soft and buttery. And a brain that is worried and stressed and aging can become dense and rigid. So send this energy into your brain to plump it up, to make it soft, to give it life. And continue with that energy and take it into your face. And bring that energy into your skin and the plumping effect. And if we're plumping our skin, take it down to the jowls and plump the jowls up as well. This is a real thing. This is something that we can actually do. Bring your hands together and then place them over your heart. And focus on all of that energy that you've just created and transfer it to your heart. And if you're tapping into the subtle feeling, you're going to feel an expansion in your heart. It's going to feel bigger. There'll be a feeling there. You take your hands back down to your knees and gently circle your knees. And think of 10 things you're grateful for. 10 things in this moment right now when you're feeling good. 10 things you can give thanks for. Stop rubbing your knees and just sit still and give thanks. Doesn't that feel great? That was just 10 minutes and I feel amazing. Let me know if you feel calm and relaxed, and if you can do this practice when you're feeling stressed or anxious or depressed or worried. It will bring you back to your center and into your truth, because when we're strong, we can cope with a lot more things. Take this version of you out into the world and share it with others. May you be well. May you be happy. May you feel peace.